If you are uploading videos every day but not getting views, then the problem is not YouTube. The problem is those 5 mistakes that you make every time you upload a video, and your video stays dead right there. And today I am going to eliminate those 5 mistakes for you. And inside this video, I will tell you such a secret of YouTube viral videos that no YouTuber has ever told you till today. So make sure to stay connected till the end of the video. And if you still have not subscribed to this channel, then make sure to subscribe, because on this channel I am going to bring such faceless niches and their tutorials that no YouTuber will ever tell you. So let's start the video. First of all, understand how the YouTube algorithm works, because this is exactly the place where most people get confused. When you upload a video, YouTube first shows it to a small test audience. If those people click on it, your CTR increases, and the YouTube algorithm gets a signal that there is demand for this content in the market. Now, after the viewer clicks, the most dangerous part starts, where most people fail, and that is the hook of their video and what is being shown in the video, how the scripting is done. Now, if after clicking, the viewer does not stay on the video, your audience retention becomes weak, and this gives another signal to the YouTube algorithm that there is nothing valuable in the video, so it kills that video right there. And now in 2026, this has become even more dangerous, because YouTube now reads your videos, watches them, reads your descriptions, and even reads the text on your thumbnail. And all of this is with the help of Gemini. Since Gemini has come, going viral on YouTube has become very difficult. So in summary, first of all, you have to make an excellent thumbnail and write an excellent script. When you pass these 2 steps, then come those 5 mistakes that you always make while uploading videos and while building a channel, because of which your videos do not perform. So first, let's cover the mistake of building a channel. While creating a channel, the first thing is that the channel name you choose should be related to your category, related to your topic. The mistake you make is that the channel name you choose is not related to your category. For example, if you are making a cooking channel, then you should have a cooking related name. If you are making a tech category channel, then you should have a tech related name. The second main mistake is that when you create a channel, you do not write its description properly. In the description, you should only write briefly related to your category. There should be no tags, no keywords in it, and you should not mention too many things, so that the YouTube algorithm does not get confused. What you do is that you either write about yourself or about something else. Or, if you write about the category, you write a very long description, which confuses the YouTube algorithm. So whenever you write a description, write a professional, short one, in brief words related to your category. These things are small, but they matter a lot in your channel growth, and these small things are things that no one has ever told you till today. So if you are liking the video, then please make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss such informative things. Now, let's talk about the third mistake. The third mistake we have is in making the channel logo and banner. In the logo and banner, there should not be any random image. It should be related to your niche, something that matches your niche, because when you choose the wrong image, it also creates a very big impact. Now, when you have fixed these things, the fourth mistake comes, which is even more dangerous, and that is inside your video editing. While editing a video, the background music you use, if it does not match your category, then Gemini nowadays watches your video. If that music does not match your category, it also gets confused and does not promote your video further. If you have understood these 4 mistakes, then write done in the comments. And now let's move towards the 5th mistake. And this 5th mistake is the mistake about which I said that I will tell you inside the video. And behind all viral videos, this 5th thing plays a role. And because of this, they go viral. So the 5th thing, which I have personally noticed, and you can also go on YouTube and watch different viral videos, is that there are neither hashtags nor tags inside them. When you use hashtags and tags, according to a new report, your video gets dead right there and does not move forward. And I have personally experienced this myself. So I hope you have understood these 5 mistakes and you will try to fix them in your future videos. And if you cover these 5 mistakes, your next video can surprise you. So we will meet in some next amazing video. Till then, bye.